Get through today. Currently very gusty conditions, especially on the eastern plains right now. 60-mile-an-hour gusts in Lyman, 31 in La Junta, 62 in Burlington, and 43-mile-an-hour gusts in Lamar. This has prompted a high wind warning through 5 p.m. for most of the eastern plains. Anywhere east of Lyman, we could see gusts up to 65 miles per hour there. It's also prompted a red flag warning through 5 p.m. today. Now, with those gusty winds as well as very low relative humidity under 15%, it's perfect for high fire danger. So hopefully these winds will move on out after 5 p.m. today. Temperatures today here in the Denver metro area will benefit a little bit from this westerly flow. We'll see temperatures in the low 50s in Fort Collins and Boulder, DIA 48, so a bit warmer today than what we saw yesterday. Up in the high country, 29 in Steamboat Springs, 31 in Frisco, and 39 on the western slope in Grand Junction. Tomorrow, it's going to be slightly cooler than today, and with a little bit more cloud cover as that next cold front pushes in from the Pacific Northwest. Now, let's track this system for you. It's going to cruise into the area by about 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. That's when we could see some flurries up in the high country and more cloud cover move in here in the Denver metro area. Now, for the next several days, this is going to be our weather pattern. We're going to have low pressure out to our east, high pressure off the coast of California, and we're sandwiched right in between the two of those. This is going to create a northwesterly flow, and this is going to continue for the next 7 days. So we'll see frequent cold fronts and some unsettled weather for the next several days. Starting tomorrow, as we put the future cast into motion, we'll start to see some snow in the high country tomorrow morning, and then by tomorrow afternoon, that'll taper off. Now, this storm system isn't a big snowmaker, but I know all those skiers and riders headed up